There are millions of times that we encountered a beggar when we go outside, and a humble reaction to them is either giving them something or at least refuse them with a nice and kind face. But is it a reality? Does these feeling comes in our heart when we see one? The answer is in negative. पहले तो वो लोग जिनको ऐसे हालात दरपेश आए हैं ज़िंदगी में जहाँ उनके पास ऑप्शन था कि या तो वो हाथ फैलाएं या वो खुद अपना इंतज़ाम कर लें. These people think that the beggars are useless beings who are lazy and does not want to make an effort to learn something to earn for themselves. They have chose to be beggars. But is it true? Which pay the law
It
enforcement
is no
agency
lie or
not to
secret
remove
that
them
beggary is a profession run
from
by
the
mafias
roots.
and
And this
rackets,
labor has a
which
lot
pay
of people who are under strict sight of agents of those big rackets. तो ये कहा जा सकता है कि इनमें से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनसे ज़बरदस्ती ये काम करवाया जा रहा है, मगर क्या ये तमाम लोगों के लिए कहा जा सकता है? Let us only look at this profession as work, always or mostly standing on the heated roads in sun, burning skin, and a heavy load of low self-esteem and no self-respect for themselves, being kicked by people, looked down upon, and having a passive thought always in their mind. ये काम इंसान से इंसान होने की तमाम कशिश छीन लेता है. हालात के सहारे जीना और अपनी इज़्ज़त नफ्स को मार कर लोगों के आगे हाथ फैला देना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो क्या हमें इसको बढ़ावा देना चाहिए? आंसर इज़ नहीं. Being financially well off, we could never understand that what is going through the minds of beggars. We can't do anything about it right now, but only thing we could do is not snap at them every time they come to you. I know sometimes we are not in the mood of doing good to others, but when we have that positive energy inside us,